Hello everyone, my name is Eva and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a very powerful tool that can help you organize your life and manage your time. And did you know that Google Calendar has a feature that automatically recognizes events based on received emails? That means that if I receive a meeting invitation in an email, the calendar will automatically add that event to my schedule. The first step is to create your Google account if you don't have one yet. Just go to the google.com website and choose the Create Account option. Follow the instructions and soon you will have your own Google account. This not only allows you to use Google Calendar, but also gives you access to other useful tools like Gmail, Google Drive, and many more. After logging into your Google account, open your Calendar app. You can do this in several ways, by clicking on the calendar icon on your desktop, using the mobile app, or simply typing Google Calendar in the search bar. And the cool thing is that you can also add a shortcut to Google Calendar on the home screen on your smartphone for quick access. And now that we have Google Calendar open, let's see how to navigate the interface. At the top of the screen, you will see buttons to switch between views: day, week, month, and year. Choose the view that suits you best. Now let's move on to creating events in your calendar. Click on the available slot and enter the event's name, date, and time. You can also add reminders and set event recurrence if necessary. And here is a great feature. If you name an event related to a location, the calendar will automatically add the address and a map, which can be very convenient if you are planning a meeting at a new place. Google Calendar also allows you to share your calendar with others. You can do this by clicking on the name of your calendar and selecting the Share option. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with and set their access level. This way, you can plan meetings or family events together. Notifications are a very useful feature in Google Calendar that reminds you of upcoming events. You can customize the notification settings to receive email reminders, mobile notifications, and both. And here's another tip. You can even configure notifications for specific calendars or events, giving you better control over the information you receive. It's also worth mentioning the synchronization of Google Calendar with other devices. If you use multiple devices like a smartphone, tablet, and computer, you can sync the calendar across all those devices to have access to your events anytime and anywhere. This means that if you add an event on one device, it will automatically appear on all other devices where you are logged in. That's it. I hope this short guide to Google Calendar has been helpful to you. And remember that Google Calendar is a very powerful tool for time management. And it's a tool that you can customize to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated with more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions about the topics that you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next time.